Okay, so here we are with our lovable LOL surprise ball out, and we are ready to see who we have. Who do you think it is? It could be any number of people. Okay, and there's 7 layers of surprise inside. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna get started by peeling this first layer off. Alrighty, that was easy. I hope the rest of the layers are just as easy to peel. Alright, I'm looking in there because I know we have our clue. So, what do we have? Cookie and a light bulb. So, what do you think the cookie and the light bulb is? What do you think that means? Can you guess? Or did you already see it before I put my finger over the clue? Yep, it's Smart Cookie. So let's see who's the smart cookie that we have in here. Who's this smart cookie we got? We got a smart person, smart cookie. Let's see who it is. Okay, and here's our stickers showing us if we have water or if it's a surprise. So we're going to find out who that is also. Well, we're not going to find out today because I'm not putting any water on it because it's kind of messy with the water right now. So I think I'm going to wait and then have like a couple of the LOL dolls there and to see what the color change is like that. I think it'll be more fun because it's summer, so it'll be like a pool party for the LOL dolls. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, a LOL pool party. Getting closer. She's so pretty. We're getting closer. Okay, and there's nothing on that layer. Well, there is something on that layer. Look, got a surprise. Let's take that one out and let's sit it to the side for now. And let's go to our next layer. Almost there. Gotta be patient and see what we got. It's always so cool. It's like Christmas when you open it up. I love the surprise part of it. It's so genius because who doesn't like getting surprises? Who doesn't like getting like a present or something sometimes? Okay, so take that layer off and there we go. Got us another surprise in there. How many surprises is that? 2 surprises. Alright, and the final layer says kapow! Pow, pow! We're going to see what it is. We're getting really, really close, you guys. Really close to seeing who we got. It's a pink ball. Let's see. Alright. That layer's off. And then look at the top. On the top right there. Open that up. There's also a surprise in there. Alright, now we're going to crack open the ball. Let me put this back on. I like to have it whole when I open it. Okay, so now we're going to crack open the ball, you guys. Look at there. Open it. There's more surprises in there. Look at that. Yes, more surprises. We're going to sit that right there. This is perfect for sitting that right there. I'm going to take that out. And then we have the top handle. That's the little handle for the ball. And we've got another surprise hiding in there. And then we've got the instruction booklet, of course. And we have the list. It shows who all's possibly in there. So who do you think's in there? Look at all those guys. Look at everyone. Oh, they're all so cute. Look at them. Their sisters are even in there. Oh, the series 1, guys. So nostalgic. Look how far we've come. Here they are. The possibilities. So who do you think we got? I haven't opened anything yet, but just off of the Smart Cookie guessing just off of that clue. Can you guess who we got? Look at all those guys. So cool. Okay, enough with that. Now, let's start opening up these packages. This is something really little, so I want to be really careful when I open it. Oh, it's a passy. Look at there. It's a little pacifier. I think I have like one that has a pacifier so far. So that's odd. That's one that I know it's someone I don't have yet, so that's good. So that's one I don't have yet. It's got a passy. So that's a good clue. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Oh, looks like the water bottle. Looks like their bottle. Yep, it's their bottle. The baby bottle. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Okay. Here. It's their clothes. Ooh, cool. Can you guess now based on the clothes? Can you guess who that is? Somebody I don't have, and I'm very, very excited because I need that for my collection. Here. Before we open up our baby, let's see what the last small package is. Oh, it's their shoes. It's the shoes, little sneakers. Look at the little sneakers. They're so cute. Look at there. The little sneakers. Okay, so we think we know who it is. Do we know who it is? Do you know who it is? Do you know? I think it's there. Let's see. Yay! Look who we got. I knew that's who it was. We have Hoops MVP. We got Hoops MVP. Yeah. I don't have her, so she's a good one to have. I'm surprised that she's the name of hers was Smart Cookie, but hey, whatever. That's Hoops for you. Let's put her clothes on her. Put Hoops MVP her clothes on. We don't want her walking around naked. No, Mom, I'm cold. Put me some clothes on. I'm trying as fast as I can to put your clothes on. I know you're cold. Even though it was hot today, it's air conditioning on in here. Go. Oh. Oh, I messed it up. This goes in between her legs. There we go. There we go. Gotta cover up her bum bum. Gotta cover that little tootie up. So here she is. Yay! Let's put her shoes on. Let's put your shoes on you. And put that shoe on as well. Good, good. And you got a bottle, and for some reason you've got a passy. You got a bottle and a passy. Coolsies. So you got your bottle and your passy. Yay, I'm out. It was so stuffy in there. I've been in there since series 1. Thanks for opening me, Mommy. You're welcome, baby. And hey, let's put the ball together. So what I usually do is I put the stickers inside along with the instruction booklet and then put it back together. If I'm not using it to display her, of course. Then I put it back together. And then, of course, remember the handle? Remember the handle we have? Then we put the handle on. Just pop that on to both sides. There's a hole on both sides. And you just pop it in the hole. This one's gonna give me trouble, I guess. I hope not. Come on. Oh, sorry. I was trying to pop it in the wrong hole. It was like, no, you can't go in there. And there we have it. And then, of course, you can put her. There's little feet up here so that you can display. So she's on display. Hey, everybody. How you doing out there? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah, I'm finally out. Glad to meet you guys. But yep, that is who we got in there. And that is the end. So hopefully you guys will subscribe down below and watch our videos. I've got other videos up. I have the Sparkle series up as well, so you can go and watch that. I have some other videos where I'm unboxing things. So take a look and see if you like. And give me a subscription, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you can get notifications when I'm doing another unboxing, because I'm going to be doing a lot of them. And I've got another one coming up here soon. I think it's the Bling series that I said I was going to do. Okie doke. Thank you. And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.